I have these two unfinished beetles from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hangers, and I'm going to take the spray paint from Rust-Oleum in this hot pink and spray both sides, the front and the backs, and allow them to dry. Once dry, I found these little hearts from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to line them up along the front, almost appearing as if it's a garland, and hot glue them down. Then I'm going to use these unfinished hearts and put them on top. Each one has a different pattern, and you can see the pink through the back. And I left these unfinished. Then I took some Wise Owl black paint and painted the tires, leaving the center rim the pink. And I did this on both tires. And I only did this on one vehicle. Then I found these long sticks with the heart at the end from the Dollar Tree, and I removed the little wooden stick, so I had this small tiny heart, and I glued them to the center of the tire. I found these little envelopes in different colors, and I glued them as if they were in the back of the vehicle coming out the window. I took these Jenga blocks. I'm going to use them to connect the two vehicles, making sure that they stand evenly. I took a third envelope and put it on the inside of the second one. In case you hit it from a certain angle, you could see that. Then I put another Jenga block in the back for stability. I found this gnome at the Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 2, and I removed the bunny ears and removed the internal parts and the long stem, and just sifted his face into the driver's window as if it appears he's driving. I think this came out really cute for a Valentine's quick decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, cutouts, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much.